Hey guys, welcome to another vlog, CarFreak 458. These burbles that you can hear, they're from the V8, but not any V8. Guess what do we have today? It's a special limited edition G63 6x6. I had a short review about this car long back, and now it's the time to take it for a test drive and to do the full review. I mean, this is like the holy grail of the SUVs, arguably, of course. But what a machine! I mean, what a machine, guys! It's just I cannot explain to you. It has the presence on the road. It has the sound. It has the height. The ground clearance. I don't know. I mean, I might be full of sand and everything because we are in one of the let's say famous locations for the people to record videos about the cars and all the other stuff, like the music videos and so on and so forth, basically. So in order to reach here, we had to, you know, come through some serious, you know, sand and the stuff. There are some people over there that they're blocking the road, so I will have to turn around. But what a machine, guys! What a machine! You saw the video probably, or if you didn't, head over to my channel to see the video where I did the review about this beast while it was in garage. And now, as I said, it's time to take it for a test drive and to have the opinion about this monster, which is, as I said, the V8 5.5 liter, and you can hear the sound. I mean, I hope that you can hear the sound. It's 5.5 liter V8, turbocharged, 536 horsepower. The numbers are like endless, especially the price tag. When it was new, it was about $500,000. But then, since they discontinued the production, the car price is going higher and higher. This particular model is for sale for 2.5 million dirhams, which is, I don't know, almost $1 million. I mean, around $700,000 basically. And it's a beast. It's the luxury SUV with a 6 wheels, high as hell, and I mean, you know, it can go anywhere. It can go anywhere, honestly. It has all the interior designs from the designer, basically all the leather stitching and everything that comes as a luxury. When Mercedes was deciding to make this car, it was like, all right, so shall we make the 6x6? And then there was just a couple of luxury owners that they were like, yeah, we want it, so we're gonna pay the bucks for it. And they were like, okay, we have the base, because they used to do the 6x6 diesel V6 engines for the Australian military. So they were like, why don't we just, you know, make similar thing with the 6 wheels, but luxury, comfortable, you know. And that's what they made. I mean, that's what they made. I'm not in a low range gear, so I'm nowhere near to go here. So I mean, it's something, you know, guys. It's something, definitely. It's so long, it's so powerful. I mean, just something. sorry, the sun was setting so fast, so we took some of the drone shots as well as the some moving videos, basically the car moving. Hence it's already dark and we dropped the car to the car vault, back to the showroom. I was talking about the overhead light switches. So basically these ones are to inflate the tires, and then the bottom ones are to deflate them once you're going to the desert. I mean, at the end of the day, this is a almost 4-ton car, and yeah, I mean, what a day. I hope that you enjoyed some of the videos and some of the shots from the drone. I hope that you enjoyed the car as much as I did. It's something special, and I'm so grateful that I had a chance to record this video and everything else. It was all in a rush because we were also recording some of the basically music videos. So I don't know, let me know in the comments what you think about the car. It's kind of a full review of it, and like, share and subscribe. CarFreak 458. Peace.